What if you could have reliable monitors and alarm systems on your farm without having to deal with a mess of wires that could get damaged and ruin the connection? Barn Tools will show you in under 100 seconds how easy it is to switch to a wireless system. For a system of sensors, it all starts with the brain. The gateway is the brain of the BarnTalk platform. This device receives wireless signals from your sensors and relays that to the app on your phone. It can do all that even on farms where you don't have cell service. Plug it into a standard outlet, ideally the same source as your barn controller. Now look how clean that is. If cleanliness and efficiency were superpowers, you'd be a hero right now. Now you can easily install a whole slew of wireless sensors on the BarnTalk system, monitoring everything you need. There's the feed sensor with a solar battery, the water meter with a battery that lasts years, temperature and humidity sensors, and a dry contact sensor to monitor power to your equipment. All wireless, all reporting to your phone. Get up and running faster, reduce downtime, and keep your barn operations smooth. Get BarnTalk and simplify your setup today.